Shweta, you're getting a 5% hike. But Aditya, I'm giving you a 50% hike. Congratulations.
What? How did he get such a big raise and I got only 5% increment after so much of hard work?
Because Aditya has been using Power BI to create stunning AI-powered dashboards in just 15 minutes, turn data into actionable insights in just 5 minutes, and make data-driven decisions for the company. Plus, his Power BI skills have helped the company to gain 5 times more profitability and outperform all our competitors in the market. And that's why he is worthy of this highest increment.
That's amazing, Aditya, but how many years it took you to master this powerful skill?
I learned it in just 3 hours in the 3-hour Power BI Mastery Workshop by Office Master. And I didn't need any prior coding knowledge for this. Now, you can also become a certified expert at using Power BI, which is the world's #1 business intelligence tool. Become a valuable asset for your organization and get a 50% salary hike. Register now to grab your seat only for ₹99. And fast, last 7 seats left.